everybody, welcome back. I am Diamond Dave in the Rough. Today we have another package from Trail Wolf that I just got in the mail. So this is, I think this one is the fire starter with the waterproof material that you can use for starting the fires. So let's take a look. This only took about a month to get, I feel like. I emailed them after 2 weeks and they said, oh sorry, we're having delays. We'll send it out in about a week. So I finally just got it. So let's check it out, see what we got. Okay. So in this package we have the ferro rod. So it has this attached with what looks like some paracord maybe. And then there is the ferro rod. So kind of cool, wooden handle. Pretty solid. We have, this is the fire starting material. So basically it looks like a rope almost. So braided fibers. They say it's 100% waterproof. So we're going to take a little piece of that, soak it in some water, and then take it outside and try to light it on fire. So let's go. So we have that, ferro rod, attached with some paracord to the striker. I don't know what this is called, striker? I don't know. So we'll see. Try it out. Alright, so I cut it in half. I took one of the strands off. And I cut it in half, because I don't think I need to burn the whole thing. So we'll put it in the water. Looks like it floats, but that's alright. I'll put a little weight on there, and we'll put it in there for 5 minutes. Alright, we are outside. Let's see if this will light up. Okay, let's see if we can light this thing on fire. Let's get that out of the way. See if we separate it. Let's open it up a little bit. See if we can just light them individually. Put on a little pile. Looks like it's almost catching, but not quite. Okay, I'm gonna go grab the dry one and see how that one works. Alright, let's try the dry one. So that one almost lit on fire twice. Okay, let's try to open this one up. Trying to break it up a little bit. Just open it up. And let's try that. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it looks like, if it's dry, we got it to light fairly quickly. After we opened up the fibers, we couldn't get it to light when it was wet. Put the wet one on there and let's see if it'll burn. Alright, so waterproof? I don't know. Unless I was doing something wrong. And you can let me know if I was doing something wrong. But, so we tried it solid. And then we tried it after we opened up the fibers. We couldn't get to light. Okay, so for the ferro rod and the striker being waterproof, the material being waterproof, I couldn't get it to work, so I tried it a bunch of times. So we soaked it in water for 5 minutes. We tried a half of it just by itself, just regular, tight like a rope. Then we undid it and separated the fibers. We still couldn't get it to light. We compared that to the other half of the dry piece. We didn't get to light right away as it was wound tight like the rope. Once we separated the fibers, we got it to light in a few strikes pretty much right away. So, I don't know, am I doing something wrong? Let me know, Trail Wolf, because I tried it a few times, soaked it in water, it's supposed to be waterproof. So once again, I don't think I could recommend it. I mean, it's a great fire starter if you just keep it dry, but as far as being waterproof, I don't see it being waterproof, at least the way I tested it. So maybe I'm doing something wrong. Let me know. Alright, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.